Okay, good evening from this side of the world. Speaking from Nigeria. If you check this and DSY, my analysis on DSY, not just analysis. This is a trade I took on DSY on the dollar index, which is yesterday the release of CPI. The release of CPI. So that if you check, or let me say, if you watch yesterday's the release of the news, this is what happened yesterday. Yesterday was September 11 and today is September 12. So if you look at this candlestick here, before this drop, price was trading around this place. Then already I have made my analysis, and this is a trend line, so that have been broken. For me, this was a retest that was about to happen. So because the news was coming up, I put my limit order here. Okay, so I put my limit order here. The market, once immediately the news came out, the market took me in, almost took me out, but I was lucky enough, the market started dropping immediately. That was how we got this move. Now maybe you might think that, oh yeah, because I'm doing analysis on what has already happened, this is something I can do and undo again. Don't worry, follow me. With time you will see real life analysis that I'll be posting before the trade happens. Yes, I'll be doing that, but for now I just need you to follow me up and go into your chart, verify what I'm posting or what I'm analyzing, whether it's fake or real. So that is it for now. You see now, this is a fair value gap there, and you see this volume balance here. That is, what you like call it, that is a new day opening gap that happened there. So ICT thought a lot about that. So I told you that I am more of an ICT, though I trade trend line support and all those things, but my foundation is strongly on ICT. Yeah, that is where I come from. So I combine other things to add to my this thing. So if you look at me, if you look at my chart, you see fair value gap there, you see trend line, you see support, then you see fair value gap. At times I will indicate other blocks, so you can see that it's a combination of a lot of things. I don't just focus on one thing. So with this, my trade analysis is always better, as in the level of my correctness or being correct about the direction of the market is to be a bit higher than just normal average trader. So now look at it. I entered this trade yesterday here, then this was another entry point if at all I wanted to enter this market, but because it was a news, I could not rush into the market like that, because I don't know what direction the market might still go to. But the market was already dropping in my favor. But if not because of the news, normally this place will have been another place for me to add to my position. That point, you see, this place will have been another point for me to add to my position, because you see we have two fair value gap here, 1 and 2 fair value gap. So let me mark this one. That is obvious. Fair value gap there. That is the second fair value gap. Okay, so you can see the market passed through that place. You can see that price did not close above that fair value gap. Price dropped. Now after the market dropped yesterday, we have a new day opening gap here, price trade up into that fair value gap again that was given to us after the release of the news yesterday. Price trade into it again, then dropped. I mark this place. This fair value gap you are seeing is on the 1 hour time frame, not on the 4 hour time frame. This is the one. Okay, let's see. Good. You can see how clear and sweet you can see. So this is another place to add to I added to my position. So let's assume you want to trade this, there will be another good spot to add to your position. So look at it, price is still rolling down, and believe me, so you can see price is still rolling down. So believe me that the dollar index is still falling. Yeah, the dollar index is still falling based on this analysis. If you check my TP level, this is about 1,000 plus in profit. 1,280 in profit that I'm looking forward to. So you can see that this is the daily, that is the daily time frame. So you can see that is the daily time frame. So let's see. Already I am in profit. So you just follow me up. With time I'll be posting real life analysis that has not happened before it happened. But I'm just doing this one now because it's not maybe I have trust issue with my because believe me, losing is part of the game. So I'm not as great. I'm not afraid of posting the analysis before it happen. But after today, I'll be posting analysis before they happen. So you might also use that opportunity to be taking your own personal trade if you want to do that, but it will be better if you learn it by yourself because it's not every day that I'll be posting analysis. So it will be better for you to learn direct. So when you learn, you'll be able to do it on your own. You will not have to wait for me to post, or you will not have to wait for any mentor to post for analysis before you take your own trade. So that is that. So you can follow me up, or if you want to learn, you want me to teach you forex, how to trade forex, how to do your analysis with this kind of multiple confirmation, you can contact me. I'll be more than willing to do that. You can private chat me, you can chat me, write me a message, a DM, I will reply you, I will see your message. So that is that for now. But believe me, it's not for free. Trading, you see, this thing you see me doing today is something that cost me a lot of money. I've lost money. So because I learned in a hard way, because the people that taught me earlier didn't put me through the right direction. They didn't give me the right information that I needed to trade this market. So I had to learn the hard way, consistently losing money for the past 2 years. It's not a joke, okay? So I'm not here to just tell you that you come and make millions of naira, or come and make billions of dollars, come and make millions in a day or in a year. No, these are things that take time. It was until I come across ICT that I now learned that it was wrong for me to start putting money when I have not even demonstrated for like maybe 1 3 months or 6 months. You know, these are the people that taught me how to trade within just 2 3 days, and they expect me to, and they asked me to put money to fund my account, be trading with 0.01 lot size, all those things. I lost money, okay? So until I met I said that, and I realized, oh, believe me, even if you want to learn today, I cannot advise you to put money. It can never happen, because number one, the kind of student I want to develop are not the student that will go to anywhere, or they want to be saying they are making losses. If you are making losses, you are not making losses because I didn't teach you well, or because I didn't. You are making losses because you have not mastered yourself. You have not mastered your emotions about the market, not because of your chart analysis. So that is the kind of student I want to raise. So that is that. So if you want maybe confirmation, you can see, or this red line here, you see, that is a support. Or a support turn to resistance, or resistance support, anyone you call it, but I just call it because it's still support that will become resistance, or resistance becoming support, so it's still the same thing. So you see, that support level, it came with a fair value gap, came with a new day opening gap too at the same time. Then you can say price dropped. So the price drop in conjunction with the news that happened yesterday. Then you can see a trend line again. This is a trend line that was broken. Then then a retest of that red line. That's where we have this drop. So this one again, okay, let me not talk much about that. This is just adding, but the initial place I will have this here, that is the way I will have more of my position. My major position will have been taken. So that is that. You can see that the dollar is still falling. You can see how the market is still falling. So you can see. So follow me up if you want to be able to do your analysis like this and be correct. Believe me, if you can do your analysis like this, your chances of making profit and cashing out, it will be higher than your chances of losing, honestly, because this analysis you see has a lot of confluences. One, trend line confluence, fair value gap confluence, new day opening gap confluence, support and resistance confluence. So you can see the confluence is very high, is much. It's not just one or two confluence, this is about 1 to 4 confluence. So believe me, before the market will go against you, it will take a lot, it will take a lot time. So that is that for today. This video is already long. Okay, thank you for watching. Follow me up. You want me to teach you how to trade forex, I'm available 100% for you. And believe me, you cannot learn from me and become a loser. It cannot happen. No, it can't. It can never happen. So follow me up. Okay, thank you for watching up to this time. You are blessed.